Stop scrolling for a second. Flushed face. If you think building an aesthetic body at home is impossible without a gym, you are completely wrong. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a simple beginner-friendly system that can help you start building an aesthetic physique at home. No gym. No expensive equipment. Just consistency. But listen carefully. There is no magic transformation in 7 days. And you will not wake up with a perfect body overnight. But if you stay consistent with what I'm going to tell you, you will start seeing real changes in your strength, shape, and confidence. First, let's understand what an aesthetic body actually means. It's not just abs. An aesthetic body means wide shoulders, a lean waist, a defined chest, and an overall athletic look. Now the good news is, you can build this at home. But here is the biggest mistake beginners make. They get motivated. Start for 3 to 4 days. And then quit. That's why most people never see results. So you need a simple system. Not motivation. Discipline. Fire rule number 1, push UPS daily. Start with push-ups. If you are a beginner, don't worry about numbers. Do 3 sets of as many clean reps as possible. Push-ups build your chest, shoulders, and triceps. But remember one thing. Form matters more than quantity. Slow, controlled movements are better than fast bad reps. Fire rule number 2, full body basics. If you want an aesthetic body, you only need a few movements. Push-ups, squats, plank, and a pulling movement like pull-ups or rows using a table. That's it. If you master these basics, your body will automatically start shaping into an athletic physique. Fire rule number 3, consistency. This is the real secret. Your body does not change in one day. It changes with repetition. Even 20 to 30 minutes daily is enough. If you stay consistent for 30 days. Most people fail not because the workout is hard, but because they stop too early. Warning: common mistake. Stop changing your workout every day. One day chest. Next day biceps. Then random exercises. That never works. Pick a simple routine and stick to it. Flexed biceps simple beginner routine. You can do this anywhere. 3 sets push-ups. 3 sets squats. 1 plank, 30 to 60 seconds. That's it. No complexity. Green salad nutrition truth. You cannot outtrain a bad diet. If you eat too much junk food, your progress will be slow. Simple rule. Drink more water. Eat normal home food. Reduce junk food. No need for extreme diets. Sleeping face recovery. Your muscles grow when you rest, not when you train. So sleep at least 7 to 8 hours. If you stay up late scrolling your phone, your recovery becomes slow. And your progress slows down too. Fire final challenge. Here is your challenge. Follow this routine for 30 days. No excuses. No skipping. And track your progress. Take a photo today. And another after 30 days. You will see the difference. If you are serious about transformation, comment day 1 started. And I'll know you are committed. Remember this. An aesthetic body is not built in the gym. It is built with discipline, consistency, and time. Start today. Not tomorrow. And if you want more content like this, subscribe to the channel.